Because water used for common area and streetscape irrigation cannot be recaptured, homeowners associations collectively consume far more water than the entire resort industry and almost as much as all of southern Nevada's golf courses combined. That's why the SNWA encourages HOAs to replace large areas of grass with water-smart landscaping. For a better understanding of our water conditions and how communities can conserve water, the SNWA offers a continuing education class for community managers and board members. Community managers are required to gather continuing education points in order to keep their certifications. The Community Association Institute has helped SNWA's course to get certified by the state of Nevada. During the training, the Water Authority gives attendees a water resource update and information on how HOAs can save water in their communities. The training is offered twice a year. The most recent session was hosted by the City of Henderson and drew nearly 50 HOA representatives.